In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop people from adding you to WhatsApp groups. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up WhatsApp app and then right here tap on settings icon. Then hit on account and there select privacy. Now here you can find groups, just tap on it. By default this feature switched to everyone, so whoever who know your phone number are able to add you to a group. And there you can switch this feature to my contacts or to my contacts except some specific contacts, so you can hit right there and then check mark those persons whom you want to disallow adding you to WhatsApp groups and then hit on done. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.